So I added a little bit more of this foundation and I put it into my face already. I don't know if you can see the look, but I like it a lot better. I don't know, I missed my nose. I don't know if you can do it with powdered foundation. I only did it with liquid. So if you guys know if you can or not, let me know. So I am going to show you in the next slide what you do when you go like this by brushing it down, excuse me. You wipe it off actually, and then you have to add more. That's what I learned. So here's the next slide. Okay, so I'm going to show you what happens. I've been doing this for like a long time, and then I learned from my friend. I'm just going to add some more of this liquid pump foundation by LA to my brush, to my foundation brush, and there you have it. So I'm just going to add right here, and if I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. So I put it like this, and then put some here. So I'm adding a little bit more. So instead of patting it in, I was going like this. And that is the wrong way. See, like how I took some of the airbrush stuff off, I already did. That's a big no-no. You don't want to do that. And I was doing it for a long time. So I will finish up here and I will come back with the ending slide for you. Okay, so I actually want to show you something. I tried to do the powder foundation, and I already did this side of my face by patting it in, airbrushing to see if it really worked, and it does. So I'll show you this side. So I just took some of this, patted it in, and went like this. And like you can see I'm wiping it. You can see the difference. So yeah, it really works. So I will actually come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the airbrush liquid foundation and powdered foundation. As I found out, you can do powdered foundation too. So this is my foundation brush, and this is what I used. So remember, you do not want to go down like this. You want to pat it in to get the airbrush look. That's what I learned last week from my friend. So if you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. Please also don't forget to like this video, and please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.